Welcome guys, myself Manish Mittal from Surya Senior Secondary School, Mahendragarh. On behalf of Surya School, today I will teach you topic sharing current year profit in case of death of a partner. Dear students, sharing current year profit on two base. First is on base of time. On base time, your formula profit into its share into T by 12. On base sale, your formula profit into its share. Dear students, in last video I taught you calculation of profit of deceased partner in case of on basis of time and entry. What entry will be passed? Dear students, if there is no change in profit ratio, then your entry will be passed. New ratio will same, then the entry will be passed. Total loss suspense account debit to decrease partner capital account. If there is change in profit ratio, then your entry will be passed. Remaining partner capital account debit to decrease partner capital account. In last video, I discussed with you about that matter on base of time. Today I will discuss with you on base calculation of decreased partner sharing profit on base of sale. Your formula is profit into its share. Time is not applied. How we calculate and what time will be passed? For this I will take for my first problem. That's written on the blackboard. Problem number 1. A and B and C are partners sharing profit in the ratio 4:3:2. Your old ratio is 4:3:2. A died on 31st December 2019 and accounts are closed on 31st March every year. Account closed on 31st March. Last balance sheet will create on the 31st March 2019. Sale for the year ending 31st March 2019. It means 31st March on last year sale amounted 4 lakh and sale of ₹3,30,000 amounted between the period of 1st April to 31st December, and sale for the period from 1st April to 31st December. 31st December, that is the date on which C died. Means sale from the opening of the current year to the death of the C is 3,30,000. Profit for the year ending 31st March 2019 amounted to 60,000. The profit for the year ending amount to 60,000. You will pass the entry. You are required to pass the entry. Yes, friends. First of all, I will calculate profit up to the from 1st April to 31st December 2019. Your first requirement is you will calculate profit up from 1st April to 31st December 2019. How we calculate? Let's come on the blackboard. Dear friends, only C died. It's given. Nothing given. A died. Nothing other given. Then your new ratio 3:2. It is not required in this case. It is required for the treatment of goodwill, but not required for the treatment of sharing profit in current year. Last year your sale is 4 lakh and last year profit is 60,000. On sale of ₹4 lakh, profit is 60,000. On sale of ₹4 lakh, profit is 60,000. On sale of ₹1, profit is 60,000 divided by 4 lakh. And sale from 1st April to 31st December is 3,30,000. It's given. On sale of ₹3,30,000 profit is 60,000 divided by 4 lakh into 3 lakh 30,000. From 40 to 40 cancel, it's cancel, it's 15,000, 1500, 0, 0, 45, 49, 49,500. Then now you will calculate age share of profit up to the date of death. Age share in profit 49,500 into A share 4 by 9. A share is 4 by 9. 9,545, 9,545. 22,000. Time will not apply. Your entry will be passed. Format, date, particular, ledger folio, amount, debit, amount, credit. Your entry will be passed through profit and loss suspense account. Profit and loss suspense account debit to decrease partner A, the capital account. For the 22,000. Nourish 4. Age share in current year profit in case of death. A share of profit in current year profit in case of death. That is our first problem. Now come on the second problem, dear students. Sara, Sita and Meena are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 2:1. Old ratio given 2:1. Sara dies on 30th June 2019 and firm closes its book on 31st March every year. Every year books close on 31st March and Sara dies on 30th June. It means Sara remains partner for 3 months, April, May and June. Sale and profit for the year end 2018-19 6 lakh and 1,80,000. 2018-19 means last year sale 6 lakh and last year profit 180. And sale for the year 2019-20 till the date of death amounted to rupees 120. And current year sale is 120. Calculate Sara's in profit and past journal entry. First of all, old ratio given, Sara type, new rate nothing given, 2 ratio 1 and gain is 2 ratio. Dear friends, there is no change in new ratio, then your entry will pass to the suspense account. Your entry will pass profit and loss suspense account debit to Sara's capital account, key partner capital account. Now calculate profit of Sara in current year profit. Last year sale 6 lakh and last year profit 180. On sale of rupees 6 lakh. Profit is rupees 1,80,000. On sale of rupee 1, profit is 180 divided by 6 lakh. And current up to the date of death, your sale is 120. On sale of rupees 1,20,000. Profit is 180 divided by 6 lakh into 1,20,000. Cancel the 36,000. Calculate Sarah's sharing profit. Sarah's sharing profit in 36,000. Sarah share is 2 by 5. That 14,400. There is no change in your rentable part of the profit and loss expense account. Format date, particular, ledger folio, amount, debit, amount, credit. Rentable part of the suspense account. Date is 30th June. Profit and loss. Suspense account debit to SURAJ capital account by 14,400. 14,400 for SURAJ share in current year profit in case of death. Dear students, I hope you understand it. If you understand it, then like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.